Grabe. Ang pigmented. And welcome to my channel! So today, I'm sorry if I'm looking a little bit pale, but we're going to try the makeup from Charm Cosmetics. And kung hindi kayo familiar with Charm Cosmetics, yun yung makeup line ng Nature Essentials. And Nature Essentials is a skincare line. So you can check their Instagram over here. Ito yung Charm Cosmetics, and then ito yung Nature Essentials. Kilala sila with using organic materials. And today, we're going to try out yung makeup na pinadala ni Miss Charm. So, thank you so much, Miss Charm. And nakapag-foundation na ako. So, I used a BB cream from W Lab. And then, yung blush ko is actually one of the lip tints na kasama dun sa pinadala sa akin. So, first, we will set our face kasi nakapag-BB cream na ako. So, let's use this Charm Poreless Matte. And this is the shade Vanilla. I have my mirror here. So, I'm just getting my powder brush and may sifter siya sa loob. So, let's just powder our face. Tanggalin ko na yung excess. So, nag-mattify nga yung nose area ko. Hindi naman nagbago yung color ng makeup ko. May nakalimutan pala ako. Actually, may concealer dyan. So, let's just avoid tong area na to. So, this is after the powder, and na-mattify naman siya, diba? And medyo na-blur nga yung pores ko. I like! Try natin next yung nakalimutan ko. And this is the Cover All Stick Concealer. So, usually, dapat magko-concealer ka muna before ka mag-powder. But, I'm sorry. And then, this is the shade Light. And sa packaging niya, mukha siyang lipstick. And let's see how it goes on my face. So far, madali siyang i-apply. Kasi stick concealer siya. And maganda yung coverage niya. I like the coverage! Ang galing, oh! See, ito yung wala pang concealer. Ito yung may concealer. So, i-blend lang natin. Nice! Ang ganda! I really like it. Try natin sa blemish ko. So, may blemish ako dyan. Grabe! Ang dali mag-spot conceal dito. I like it. Ang dali i-blend. Ang daling ang galing. Diba? Ito yung may concealer. Ito yung wala pa. Nice! I like this. I like you. Super dali gamitin. Very, very perfect for beginners. I like this. I like this one. May konting amoy siya eh. Parang powder. Baby powder na amoy. Baby powder na parang mint. So, isaset lang natin yung concealer with the powder ulit. Yung Poreless Matte para maset yung ating concealer. Nice! Tadaan! Ang ganda! And then next, we will use muna. Later may lip tints eh. But first, itong Charm by Nature Essentials Hydrating Matte Lipstick. So, I have the shades Georgia, Brittany, and Amanda. So, I have 3 shades over here. And let's test this out on my lips. So, this is the shade Brittany. Grabe. Ang pigmented. Ang ganda. Ang pigmented. Grabe, oh. Pwedeng parang lip tint na siya i-apply. Pero pag full coverage, ang ganyan, no? Ang ganda. Pero grabe, ang ganda, oh. This is Brittany. And then, ito yung color niya. As you can see, super ganda na pigmentation. Hindi siya super matte. Hindi dry and medyo nagka-transfer siya ng konti. Pero okay lang kasi tingnan mo yung color payoff. Like, so, let's try out the other shades. This is the shade Amanda. This is a parang dark mauve brown pink. This is what it looks like. I really like this lipstick, guys. It's super soft. It's super pigmented. Kahit light ka lang mag-swipe, grabe na yung pigment. I really love this one. The last shade that we have is Georgia. Gusto ko ipakita sa inyo kung gaano kadali siya i-apply. Okay, so I have my mirror here. And let's put this on. We're super zoomed in. Ganyan tayo ka-close. One swipe. Ang ganda, diba? So, this color Georgia is medyo nudish brown. So, this is what it looks like. Again, same formula nung mga iba. It's very matte, pero hydrating siya. Hindi siya nakaka-dry. Okay, so move on muna tayo with eyebrows. Pahinga muna natin yung lips natin kasi I know you're excited para sa lip tints. But for now, let's use this Charm by Nature Essentials Blue Sanchez Brows on Fleek. It has jojoba oil, grapeseed oil, and this is the shade Choco. So, ang cute na lalagyan. It's so small. Maliit lang siya and then may sifter sa loob. So, gagamit lang ako ng brush. This is from Fashion 21. Mura lang ito, 100 lang. So, let's see. So, dinidip ko lang siya dun sa product. Then, tap out the excess. Pwede mo siyang gamitin dry or pwede mong basahin yung brush mo for a more defined look. Ako, you know me, I like very natural. Wow, ang pigmented niya. Parang nakukulayan niya ng brown yung hair ko. As you can see, but I zoomed you guys in para makita nyo na mas mabuti. So, I'm just using a light hand para i-fill in yung brows ko. Grabe, ang dali. Ano ba yan? Nakakatawa. Ang dali mag-eyebrows. Kita nyo naman ng pigmented niya. Konting swipe lang. Dito tayo sa kabilang side. Hindi pa ako nag-tip ulit. So, ito pa rin yung product. Let's see kung gano'n niya makakolor pa rin yung kabilang side. Ayun na. It's still showing up sa other eyebrow. So, mag-dip lang ako ulit para mas pumantay naman siya. So, it's very easy. Pigmented na pigmented siya. Ang galing. There you go. So, here are my eyebrows. Using the brows and powder. Ang ganda. Okay, so let's move on with lip tints. So, I have 5 shades here. Ang ganda ng kilay ko. Ang ganda ng powder. So, I have 5 shades here. This is Kiss Me Better, Just My Luck, All About You, Crush on You, and You Got Me. So, actually, yung Crush on You, yun yung nilagay ko sa aking cheeks. Diba? Parang medyo flush, hindi kilig-look ka lang. It's very light, very natural lang yung glow mo. So, let's try these on my lips. Okay, this is the first shade. This is Crush on You. And it's a very, very, very natural pink. Parang glow lang. Hindi masyadong halata if ever na magsisettle siya sa loob ng lips. But, I really like this one. Di ba parang natural lang na woke up like this look. So, eto siya. So, again, this is the shade Crush on You. The next shade, this is Kiss Me Better. So, medyo, ayan o, medyo reddish pink naman siya. Gusto ko dito sa applicator nila is a metal ball. And, lalo na pag malamig yung temperature ng room nyo, masarap siya ilagay sa lips kasi malamig. I find this easier kapag i-apply mo. Kasi mas madulas siya kasi metal. So, this is the shade Kiss Me Better ng Charm Cosmetics. So, next shade is this Just My Luck. So far, ito yung pinaka-pigmented sa kanilang lahat kasi medyo dark plum color siya. Careful lang sa pag-apply. Use your pinky finger para i-blend yung outer edges kasi mga lip tint na ganitong ka-pigmented, mahirap na kapag lumabas na sa lips mo, diba? I really like the pigment. Ang ganda. And then, so far, ito yung lip tint na hindi super nagsistay sa inner lip mo. Pati yung outer lip mo, super pigmented na rin. So, para ka na rin naka-lipstick, diba? Next shade is You Got Me. So, medyo plum siya, but not as deep as yung nauna. This is what it looks like. Again, it's very pigmented. I really like it. Para na akong naka-lipstick. And again, this is the shade You Got Me. So, last but definitely not the least, this is the shade All About You. And this is the very vampy red na Taylor Swift red na lip tint. And so yun. So this is All About You by Charm Cosmetics. Okay, so the last makeup product that we have here, sana wala ko na miss out, is the Charm by Nature Essentials Pore Minimizer Mattifying Setting Spray. It provides continuous oil control all day makeup wear and a matte finish. So it also helps to minimize pores, balances the skin moisture, infused with vitamins that will make your skin smooth and healthy. So let's try this one on my face. Bango siya. So medyo hindi ko ma-describe yung amoy, pero mabango naman siya. And yung spray niya, hindi parang gentle, medyo ganun. But as long as it mattifies and sets my face, that's okay. So I'll just wait until this dries out and I will check back in later. So that is it for my video. This is Charm Cosmetics. Again, thank you so much, Miss Charm, for sending these to me. And I really like this one. I love the lipsticks, I love the lip tint, I love the powder, the concealer. Grabe, what can I not love? Again, please check out Charm Cosmetics by Nature Essentials. So, lalagay ko na lang yung mga Instagram handles nila. And, guys, we have a special treat for you. If you use the hashtag CharmLace, it's a code that you will get 15% discount on all, take note,
on all
Charm Cosmetics products. That is our treat for you. So thank you so much, honeybees. Make sure to use the hashtag CharmLace code when you order sa page nila so you can get 15% discount. And yun, I'm very excited. Thank you so much for watching. Please comment down below kung ano yung naging favorite nyo out of all the products that we have tried. I hope that you tried Charm Cosmetics kasi I really like it. I really like the lip tints, the lipsticks. So yun guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you loved this video. And make sure to follow me on Instagram, Facebook. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Be a honeybee. And if you are a honeybee, please comment down below hashtag honeybees to get a chance to be a honeybee of the day sa next video. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!